What's up? It's your boy Tyler Vessels, and I got my hands on the EDC Electric Limeade by Ghost, and they finally had it at my grocery store. So let's give it a try. Smells very lime. Honestly, it tastes basically like a limeade lemonade, basically. Yeah, it's definitely no cherry. It's just basically it's like almost like a yellow Gatorade in a way, but without the horrible Gatorade taste. It tastes really good. I would say actually this is probably a non-sour version almost of their pink sour lemonade, I would say, in a way. But it's really good. Yeah, it's really good. It's like a lemonade basically. And it's delicious. So for me, this is a 9 out of 10. This is like probably my favorite new flavor. Not gonna lie. Let me know if you tried it in the comments below or watch this video.